Most people jump into DeFi thinking it's a quick way to earn, but the surprising truth is that using Beefy finance incorrectly can lead to lost profits or even security risks. Today, we'll show you how to use Beefy finance properly and avoid beginner mistakes. Beefy finance is a DeFi yield optimizer that automatically compounds your crypto earnings across multiple protocols. Beginners often deposit without understanding the strategy or risks. Start by selecting a vault that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Some vaults focus on stablecoins with lower risk, while others use volatile tokens for higher yields. Next, understand fees. Beefy charges performance and deposit fees. Many new users overlook these, expecting all returns to be profit. Calculate your expected net gains after fees to make sure the vault is still worth it. Security is critical. Use a hardware wallet or a secure Web3 wallet like MetaMask to connect to Beefy. Beginners sometimes use exchange wallets, which exposes funds to hacking risks. Always double-check the contract address and confirm you're on the official platform to avoid scams. Monitor vault performance. Even though Beefy automatically compounds yields, APYs fluctuate with market conditions. Most beginners deposit and forget, but staying aware of changes helps you optimize returns and avoid unexpected losses. Finally, plan your exit strategy. Know how to withdraw and convert assets before you invest. Gas fees and slippage can eat into your profits if you're not prepared. In short, to use Beefy finance properly, pick the right vault, account for fees, prioritize wallet security, monitor performance, and plan withdrawals carefully. Avoid these mistakes, and DeFi can work for you instead of against you. Subscribe for more honest DeFi reviews and practical crypto tips.